कि शिफाउ तली की ऑटोनमस डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउंसिल बट की टेरिटोरियल काउंसिल किन सखी या जिंग पिनकला हडियन बका सरकार पदेंग kan pentamai ka 6 schedule kariti संचार करी या करी लकुलार उमंत्री कतनात कंपो इयंग करी व अमित शाह का जिंग कंडो कि शिफाउ तली की ऑटोनमस डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउंसिल बट की टेरिटोरियल काउंसिल मंता का arpusan tarik naitung araja arpusau कि शिफाउ तली की ऑटोनमस काउंसिल बट की ऑटोनमस डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउंसिल की लोंग का KHADC JHADC बट GHADC मेघालय Kamara, Lai, Bat Kachakma, Autonomous District Council, Mizoram, Tripura, Autonomous District Council, Tripura, Bodoland Territorial Autonomous Council, Dima Hasao, Autonomous Council, Bat Karbi, Autonomous Council, Assam. UCM ka KHADC uba penyasing CM ulaong ba kajing kendu kalong ka baseso, ulaong ba Amit Shah ula Kular ban pendap ya Jingdawa jong ki Hapoh tali ki Autonomous Council, Hapoh Bnai, kabamut Hapoh ka arpusan tarik unai lar banwan, halor ka jingpen kre banwan ra ya ka jingpen kala ya ka 6 schedule kariti संचार करी उबा पन्याज उलाong bala thawru ya ka committee halor ka ne ka ban khle umantri khana ka tanat kampo iyeng kari ban Pynbeit penbyang ya ki Jingdawa jong ki Shiphau tali ki Autonomous Council bat ki Autonomous District Council ha ka jukapor ula pentep ba ka jingalang ka baar jong baro Shiphau tali ki ne ki Autonomous Council bat ki Autonomous District Council kanlong ha ka Shiphau tarik nailar arja arpusau hashilong
nakaliang jungi kumka EDC kakenhun jongki Autonomous District Council Hapoh North East Brokaway bakentup nadu ya ka Tripura Territorial Council nangta ka Bodoland Territorial Council Karbi Anglong nangta ka Dima Hasau ka Khas Hills, Gent Hills, Garo Hills nangta ka Chakma, Lai Bat Mara baru Shiphau tali ki Autonomous District Council nilai kendu mentak sini ni po nangba Delhi badu kumju niladon ya ka meeting ka Bakerpang ka Shimpor jan hadu Stengeta bad Union Home Minister Amit Shah ban ya pensnow penpau ke jing dan kam ko jumi hakabide bakani ka schedule amendment te habide bakadi ka schedule amendment gila pensnow bad hoi ni dan la ki jong ki jing dan ki jing dawa ke jumi henry ya baro ikini ki jing dawa ke jumi nakaliang jong Union Home Minister la ai kata ka jubab dan ni la pensnow hani ba Hapoh ka Bnai Hapoh ka Bnai kabamut Hapoh arpusan tarikh dari Bnai ban 1 Ogos bat an pendap yang ni kam ban bishar benya bat kan sadan ka committee ka ba Union Home Minister of State untuk ni kam bat nakaliang juni ni penpau ya jingkemen bat ai kublai kerpang ya Home Minister Amit Shah bla sengap bala shimkhai ni ka kam habede kanika schedule amendment kermen scam ba kini baru kijing pensnow ke juni habede banang penklan shushu yaki EDC Hapoh North East khamtam ngiwan naka jela Meghalaya ike ki bangi ni semua bangi dan kam ban ya dan lang ban penlong ya jep mriu jungi bateli ki nong nong Meghalaya bateli ling ba ni ka schedule amendment kan long ka jingmentoi ban jingku makrau sai sien nakaliang jungi na Meghalaya ki EDC ni ai kublai kerpang ye promote CM jong bodo ai kublai kerpang ye produce chairman jong ka Tripasa nangta MP jungi na po Karbi Tiso nangta kiwi baro ki CM bedan lang kiba la penlong ini ka ji keduk jingi ka bajop tak kasi tangini hi kublai shibot kenhon joki EDC baro shibot tadi mentak asli hadin bala de adul ya Union Home Minister ila shimbu ya kawai karai ba ngin ya kendu yang para mangi hasilong haka Shiphau tarik u Ogos ngin ya kendu yang baru Shiphau tali ki EDC hasilong dekali kalong ka kubor bat kunjuru nakaliang juni di beriang subhai bro ki EDC banwan hasilong namtaka meeting ke baar nang paminang yo tanya merjimut tanya keren meneta show apd ni keren betang habide bakasik schedule hoi na baro Shiphau tali ki EDC ni dan lak na ki jong ki jing pensnow Jingdawa ka jungi henry ya kane ladap ban menjur da menteri mene bandon ya kawe ka committee ka ban sakli da Union Home Minister of State ya kane batang Hapoh Bnai on pendap ban singap lut ya baru khoi ki details tangan namla ban batai lut ya baru ki jenat hangne de Henry Kebestunak kalong ba Union Home Minister la pediang ya kenika ki ka memorandum ka jungi ka bangi tho ba bangi ai mene ka kata de ka le sila benong ba ngila kre poi syaka jingjok hak we de ba kenika benta ka bangi la iki la slam hanadu snam arja ka khandai habi de kenika 6 schedule amendment
chiefs, leaders, along with Minister Hapoh, Amit Shah ji, and his Minister of State, Nityanand Rai ji, was very well addressed. We are very happy that the Home Minister of India has assured us that in the next 1 month, they will be addressing all our issues, which means the 25th of August. And he has assured us, if the agreement was signed when another government was in place, any commitment given by the government of India on any accord, any agreement will be honoured, because that is not agreement by BJP or Congress, is by the government of India. We are also very happy that a positive attitude was taken by the Home Minister, and we are hopeful because the councils may be different. I've heard you ask question, what does 125th Amendment mean? It may mean something for the Khasi, Garo Hills, Jainte Hills. It may mean something else for BTR. It may mean something for Karbi Anglong. It may mean something completely different for Tripura. But all our problems will be individually heard by a committee and will be addressed so that there is a solution which is amicable. The most important thing is we don't want to go into confrontation. We want to give rights to our people, our community. And if this is how we progress, we will welcome it in a positive manner. Thank you.
thank you